Hi guys, Mimi G here and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone a while, but there has been so much going on and so many moving parts, and I'll fill you guys in later. But today I just wanted to come on really quickly and show you guys a little fabric haul that I got. So I have been trying out different fabric stores online that I have been finding. So in my last video or the video before that, I don't remember, I showed you guys what I had purchased from an online store called Grid Fabrics. Wonderful prints, very bold prints. And then someone recommended Lyrical. So I will link to their website in the description box below for you guys. But this is just a small haul. It's just 5 fabrics that I got and I am loving. These are rayon crepes. So I got this one. I'm really into ditzy prints right now and I just really love this. It's called Emerald Ditzy and they had a couple of different colorways. I only got one other colorway, which is this beautiful purple of lavender, whatever. I love both of, look how cute, you guys. These are definitely gonna be dresses because I need to replace a lot of my dresses that no longer fit. This is also a rayon crepe. It's very beautiful. I mean, look at this print. It's so pretty and soft and feminine and I love this, and it's gonna make a beautiful dress. I cannot wait to make these up. And then I had a very pretty woman sort of moment when I saw this and I just obsessed, okay? I am obsessed. I cannot wait to make a dress with this. I have to go figure out what patterns I want to use for these, but I know that they are all probably going to be dresses. And then the last one I got because I had this idea, or still have this idea, of making a little lounge set. So like, I don't know, maybe like little pajama pants or a robe or like a robe and a cami. I'm not sure. But I saw this. They have this in a ton, and I say a ton of colorways. They've just added some really bright ones like an emerald green and a hot pink and some other colors. But I was, you know, I'm a neutral kind of girl for stuff like this. So I got this little neutral cream color knit, which I think is going to make a beautiful little lounge set. I know Simplicity has some great loungewear patterns, so I think I'm going to start looking there, figure out what patterns I want to use for all of this stuff, and get to sewing because I haven't been able to sew in a couple of weeks now, and I am itching to get some sewing done. I also did start crocheting. So I'm a knitter. I have crocheted in the past, but I enjoy knitting more, and for some reason crochet confuses me more than knitting patterns. So I thought that I would try my hand at a crochet project, and I started one, and that did not go well. It did not go well because I didn't understand what the pattern was saying, and then the video that came with it was not great. So I just set it aside and I thought maybe start with something a little easier. So I did. I found another Etsy pattern for this easier bag using cording. So let me show you what I've gotten so far. So at first, it took me a little minute to get this little magic loop thing down, but I got it. I got it down, and this is about as far as I've gotten, and I think it looks so good, you guys. Like, I'm so excited about it. The one thing that I do appreciate about crochet is that the stitches are taller, so you finish faster than in knitting. But I'm enjoying the crochet, I really am. And so because I've been able to follow this pattern, and the video that came with the pattern is so good, like so easy to follow, so clear, that I've been able to make so much progress on this that it's sort of making me feel more confident about being able to tackle some other crochet projects. So my hands always have to be busy, whether I'm drawing or knitting or crocheting or sewing or something. I gotta be doing something. So that's what I'm up to. Thank you guys for watching as always. And I will come back with another video catching you guys up on all of the amazing things that have been happening for us. Norris has a new sew along video for his latest pattern. So make sure and check that out on his YouTube channel. And I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.